Ciao ragazzi, this is Chef Morris. We are here at San Marco Beach in Sicily. Kita nyo, napakaganda dito guys. As you can see, it's so beautiful right here. It's summertime na at syempre dahil dyan, namimiss ko na kumain ng barbecue. Sino nga ba hindi makakamiss sa barbecue sa atin sa Pilipinas? Kada kanto, almost every day, kumakain tayo ng barbecue. At ngayon, syempre, ituturo ko sa inyo ang aking personal recipe ng barbecue. So handa na ba kayo? Let's cook!
Perfetto.
Let's prepare our marinade for our barbecue. It's gonna be around 320 ml barbecue marinade by Mama Sita. Maganda siya kasi guys, kompleto na yung lasa niya. Yung tamis na hinahanap natin sa Filipino style barbecue. And dadagdagan ko na lang siya ng aromatics. Maglalagay ako ng 3 cloves of garlic. Pitpitin lang natin siya. We don't have to chop it. And kasama yung kanyang skin. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, may naibibigay na magandang lasa yung balat ng garlic. I'm gonna use 1 lemon. Pero i-slice ko lang siya. Hindi ko gagamitin yung kanyang juice. I will just cut it into slices. Kasi hindi ko siya i-marinate with juice. Gagamitin ko lang yung fragrant ng lemon. So, lagay lang natin siyang ganyan. Ngayon, gagamit naman tayo ng turmeric. Siya yung magbibigay ng napakabango at pampatanggal na lansa sa ating chicken. Which is gustong-gusto ko nilalagay sa aking chicken recipes. At syempre ngayon, gagamit tayo ng herbs para lalo pa nating mapasarap yung ating barbecue. So this time, gagamit ako ng rosemary and basil. And ilagay natin siya sa ating marinade mix. I'm going to crack some pepper and some salt. At syempre, to give a little bit of kick, syempre maglalagay tayo ng siling labuyo. Kasi gusto ko yung mild lang yung kanyang heat, no? Very gentle. Ang maganda dito, guys, yung recipe ng barbecue marinade mix ay galing pa kay Mama Sita. Like every Sunday, ito yung piniprepare niya sa kanilang family. Kami every Sunday or kahit walang occasion, basta nagsama-sama, barbecue agad yung aming hinahanda. Kasi it's very easy. And alam mo yun yung feel with family, eating together and cooking the barbecue together. And napakagandang memories. Ready na yung ating marinade mix. I will just try it. So yung kanyang tamis, anghang, alat, and yung linamnam. And plus, yung nabigay na lasa ng ating barbecue marinade by Mama Sita. Just perfect. Now let's put our 1 kilo of chicken thighs. What I'm gonna do is coat it with our marinade mix. So, massage nyo lang siya hanggang ma-absorb niya yung lasa. Now let's cover it and let's put it inside the fridge for at least 3 to 4 hours. But syempre, kung mas matagal niyo siya i-marinate, like for 24 hours, mas lalo pa magiging intense yung kanyang lasa. So I suggest, kung magba-barbecue kayo, the day before, i-marinate niyo na siya. Now let's prepare our mango salsa. We're gonna need 1 mango. You can use any kind of mango. Cut it into cubes. Yan, ready na yung ating mango. I'm going to cut some cherry tomatoes. Cut it into halves. I'm gonna cut our cucumber. I will also cut it into cubes. So really refreshing. gonna use half of red onion, julienne. Siyempre gagamit ako ng 1 clove of garlic. Pitpitin lang natin siya. And lagay natin siya dito. Splash some olive oil. Crack some salt and pepper. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang ating lemon juice. Cut it to half and squeeze it up. Just mix it very well. So ito na siya, namarinate natin siya for 4 hours. So nice. So skin side down first. Wow! Look at that! Itong ating excess marinade, hindi natin siya tatapon kasi ito yung ating pang-papahe doon sa ating barbecue. Then I'm going to put the lemon on top of our chicken. I'm gonna put some bell peppers for our side dish. Just like that. Very easy. Let's turn our chicken. Nice. Now it's time to plate our barbecue dish. Let's start with our chicken. Can you imagine this recipe na ginamit ni Mama Sita with all of her heart to serve to her family every single Sunday of her life? So this should be very, very tasty and full of love na sigurado mai-enjoy na inyong family. Some side dish to our barbecue. And then of course yung ating mango salsa. Na talaga namang very refreshing. Mint. And that's our barbecue recipe for today. And right now, we are inviting you to join our barbecue challenge. Wherever you are in the world, summer season, winter season, indoor, outdoor, it's very easy. Show us your unique recipe of barbecue. Anyone can join. Basta wag mo kakalimutan gumamit ng Mama Sita Barbecue Marinade. Don't forget to put hashtag Mama Sita's Barbecue Challenge. Of course, wag mo rin kakalimutan na itag ako at Chef Morris Danzen. Until next time, iintayin ko inyong mga unique recipes. Happy cooking, guys!